Miss Lolo, Miss Lolo, Miss Lolo and friends.
Hello, my little explorers. I'm Miss Lolo, and I'm so excited to see you. Today we're going on an exciting word adventure. We're going to learn some very special words, and guess what? You get to learn how to say these words with our hands using signs. Are you ready to play and learn with me? Let's get started on our adventure. It's breakfast time. What's that? Milk. Milk. Say it with me. Put your lips together. Milk. This is how you sign milk. 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 Let's pour the milk. Pour, pour, pour milk. I'm so thirsty. I want a drink. Can you sign drink? Drink. Here's my milk. Drink milk. G-g-g-g-g. So delicious. I want more. More. Show me more. More. More milk. Let's drink milk together. Here's my milk. Do you have your milk? Drink milk. G-g-g-g-g-g. Yummy. Do you see the cereal? Cereal. Yummy, yummy. Cereal. Your turn. Where's your pointer finger? Here's mine. Let's do it again. Cereal. Good job signing cereal. I want some cereal. I'm so hungry. Good. I'm eating the cereal. Let's pretend to eat the cereal together. Are you ready? So good. All done. Can you help me find a banana? Do you see a banana? Where's the banana? Where? Yes, on the table. The banana is on the table. It's a yellow banana. Yellow banana. Let's peel the banana. Peel, 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 peel. We peeled the banana. Who loves to eat bananas? Did you hear that? Listen again. What makes that sound? A monkey. monkey. A monkey makes that sound. Monkeys love to eat bananas. Let's give the monkey a bite. The monkey is eating the banana. Yummy banana. Time. Can you help me find all the things we eat? Great! Let's see what's in the basket. Cracker! It's a cracker. Do we eat a cracker? Yes, we eat a cracker. Let's put the cracker on the plate. Cracker on. We did it. We put the cracker on the plate. Look. Shoe. It's a shoe. Do we eat a shoe? No. That's yucky. Say yucky with me. Yucky. A shoe goes on your foot. Let's put the shoe back in the basket. Can you find something green? Did you find something green? Grapes. Grapes. Do we eat grapes? Yes, we eat grapes. Let's put the grapes on the plate. Grapes on. We put the grapes on the plate. Let's see what else is in the basket. Look, what's that? Ball. It's a ball. Do we eat a ball? No. Can you shake your head no? No. We play with a ball. Let's put the ball back in the basket. There's one more left. Let's see what it is. Cheese. Cheese. Do we eat cheese? Yes, we eat cheese. Let's put the cheese on the plate. We did it. We put all the food we eat on the plate. I'm so hungry. When we're hungry, we say eat. Eat. Say it with me. Eat. Yay! You did it. You are all doing such a good job learning signs. Tasty food. Can you help me find the crackers? Let's point to the crackers. Crackers. I'm pointing to the crackers. When we want something, we can point to it like this. Cracker. I want crackers. This is how you sign cracker. Cracker. Let's do it together. Cracker. Cracker. Good job signing cracker. Let's count the crackers. 1, 2, 3. 3 crackers. Now let's try some grapes. Here's how you sign grapes. 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 Can you do that with me? Grapes. Grapes. Good job, friends. Snack to eat. I want some cheese. Let's find the cheese. Is that the cheese? No. Those are blueberries. Is that the cheese? Yes, you found the cheese. This is how you sign cheese. Cheese. Your turn. Cheese. Again. Cheese. Good job signing cheese. Let's pretend to eat some cheese. I've got my cheese. Do you have yours? Let's take a bite. Delicious! Now let's watch our friends do it. After I eat, I get so tired. It's time for Miss Lolo to take a nap. It's time to sleep. 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 Show me sleep so I can sleep. Sleep. Night-night, friends.